How to create a thin rectangle or draw a box in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Canva application on a device and select the layout over here on your Canva application. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Now as you have checked on the connection over here, what you can simply do is tap on the layout over here and you can see different options at the bottom. So you can simply scroll and here you can see there is no option. So let's cross it out and here you can see the option of tools. Tap on tools and here you can simply select on the pencil icon. Now you can select whichever format you'd like over here and then select on the color as well. If you want to simply create a thin rectangle, you can simply select the frame and you can simply create a rectangle over here. Or what you can do over here is you can simply create or draw a box. You can simply just drag it and drop it over here. So that's how you can create a thin rectangle or draw a box in Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.